Hello friends! Happy Deepavali! Today we will be making Boondi Laddus. This is a sweet commonly made on Deepavali. First, take 1 kilogram of sugar and in it pour 1 liter of water. Put this in a vessel on medium flame. Then pour an ample amount of oil for deep frying on high flame. Whilst the oil is heating, take a bowl and in it add half a kilogram of sieved gram flour and in it add 400 milliliters of water with a pinch of salt in it. Mix it until it reaches a battery consistency. It shouldn't be too thick. It should be like the consistency I am showing now. A dripping consistency. Laddus are quite challenging to make, so I am taking help from my mom. Now, your sugar syrup should be finished because if you take some of the syrup in a ladle and wait for it to cool down, the syrup in the ladle should be a stringy consistency. After that, take the boondi batter and pour it into a special boondi ladle over the hot oil. This ladle will help the batter become like beads. They should immediately float to the top when they hit the oil, otherwise it means the oil is not hot enough yet. If you don't have a boondi ladle, you can just use a perforated one. Once the boondi is ready, it doesn't have to change color or anything, it just has to lose its rawness. Add the boondi to the sugar syrup. Fun fact, this sweet is made all over India, but the most famous and blessed of its kind are made in Tirupati in the temple of Venkateswara Swami. They are famous for being huge. Keep doing this until you've used the batter up. Mix the boondi and the sugar syrup together. Leave this to cool for an hour. Meanwhile, take 2 tablespoons of ghee and add this to a saucepan. In it, add 50 grams of cashew and 50 grams of raisins. Fry the cashews until they become golden brown and the raisins should swell. Now put these aside. By now, the sugar syrup should be absorbed by the boondi. Take the saucepan with the boondi soaked in sugar syrup. Add in the raisins and cashew and mix them all together. Finally, take this mixture and roll it into a ball shape. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Bunny's Bites and write any feedback in the comments below. Your Boondi Laddu is ready to eat.
Yummy!